When replacing windows, many homeowners focus on style, glass type, and energy efficiency. While these features matter, one critical detail often determines how well windows perform over time: weatherproof sealing. Proper sealing during installation protects your home from moisture, drafts, and long-term damage. For homeowners in Baltimore, where seasonal weather brings rain, humidity, and temperature swings, weatherproof sealing is essential for reliable window performance. Why weatherproof sealing matters: weatherproof sealing creates a protective barrier between your home and the outdoors. Without it, gaps around the window frame can allow water, air, and even pests to enter. Over time, these small openings can lead to bigger problems such as mold growth, wood rot, and rising energy bills. In Baltimore homes, where changing weather conditions are common, effective sealing ensures windows work as intended year-round. Protecting against moisture and water damage. Rain and humidity are major concerns during window installation. Improperly sealed windows can allow water to seep into walls, insulation, and framing. This hidden moisture can cause structural damage that may not be visible until repairs become costly. Professional weatherproof sealing directs water away from the window opening, protecting Baltimore homes from leaks and long-term moisture damage. Preventing drafts and energy loss. Air leaks around windows reduce comfort and increase energy costs. Even high-quality windows will underperform if gaps are left unsealed. Weatherproof sealing closes these gaps, preventing outside air from entering and conditioned air from escaping. For Baltimore homeowners, proper sealing helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces strain on heating and cooling systems. Improving window longevity. Windows that are exposed to moisture and air leaks tend to wear out faster. Seal failure can lead to frame deterioration, glass fogging, and operational issues. In Baltimore, where weather exposure varies throughout the year, weatherproof sealing extends the lifespan of windows by protecting them from environmental stress. Reducing noise and enhancing comfort. Sealing gaps around windows also helps reduce outside noise. Air gaps allow sound to travel easily into the home, especially in busy neighborhoods. Baltimore homeowners benefit from quieter, more comfortable indoor spaces when windows are properly sealed during installation. The role of professional installation. Weatherproof sealing requires skill, precision, and the right materials. Professionals use specialized flashing, sealants, and insulation to create a durable seal that adapts to seasonal movement. For Baltimore homes, professional installation ensures sealing materials are applied correctly and remain effective over time. Avoiding hidden structural problems. Poor sealing can allow water to accumulate behind walls, leading to mold, rot, and compromised structural integrity. These issues often go unnoticed until significant damage has occurred. Proper weatherproof sealing during window installation helps Baltimore homeowners avoid hidden problems that can affect safety and property value. Long-term value and peace of mind. Windows are a long-term investment, and weatherproof sealing protects that investment. Well-sealed windows improve comfort, energy efficiency, and durability while reducing maintenance and repair costs. For Baltimore homeowners, attention to weatherproof sealing ensures windows deliver reliable performance and peace of mind through every season. A smart priority for Baltimore homes. Weatherproof sealing is not just a finishing detail. It's a foundational part of window installation. By ensuring windows are properly sealed against moisture, air, and noise, Baltimore homeowners can enjoy lasting comfort, protection, and value. When it comes to window installation, sealing it right makes all the difference.